Welcome to the future of fleet management, fleet sustainability. This holistic approach optimizes vehicle use to minimize environmental impact and maximize efficiency. It's about more than just reducing carbon footprints and fuel consumption, it's about embracing eco-friendly alternatives and forward-thinking practices. Key components include minimizing idle time with advanced telematics, adopting electric vehicles for their long-term savings, and optimizing routes to improve efficiency. But why does fleet sustainability matter? Firstly, it's our shared duty to reduce environmental impact and create a healthier world for future generations. Secondly, sustainable practices often lead to significant cost savings in the long run. And finally, with governments worldwide tightening emissions and environmental standards, fleet sustainability ensures your business stays ahead of the curve. So, join the fleet sustainability revolution with Fleetistics and help pave the way for a greener, more efficient future.